Welcome. There are so many great places to visit here. One iconic spot is the historic downtown area. It's filled with beautiful architecture, charming streets, and plenty of places to eat and shop.
That sounds wonderful. Are there any specific landmarks I should prioritize visiting?
Definitely make sure to visit the Old Town Square. It's the heart of the city and often hosts events, markets, and live performances. Plus, there's a stunning fountain in the center that's perfect for photos.
Sounds like a great place to start. What about food? Any recommendations for trying local cuisine?
Absolutely. Around the square, you'll find many restaurants serving traditional dishes. You must try pierogi, which are delicious dumplings filled with various ingredients like potatoes, cheese, or meat.
Pierogi sounds delicious. Are there any museums or galleries you would suggest visiting?
Yes, there's a fantastic art museum just a short walk from here. It features both local and international artists, and the building itself is a masterpiece of modern architecture.
That sounds like a perfect way to spend an afternoon. How about getting around the city? Is public transportation easy to navigate?
Yes, the city has a reliable public transportation system with buses and trams covering most areas. You can also rent a bike if you prefer to explore on two wheels.
Good to know. And what about safety? Is the city generally safe for tourists?
Yes, the city is known for being quite safe. However, like any urban area, it's always wise to be cautious, especially in crowded tourist areas. Keep your belongings secure and be aware of your surroundings, especially at night.
Thank you for the advice. By the way, do you know if there are any guided tours available?
Absolutely. There are several companies offering guided tours of the city. You can choose from walking tours, bus tours, or even themed tours focusing on food, history, or architecture.
That sounds fantastic. I'll definitely look into joining one of those. Thanks for all the helpful tips.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll have a great time exploring the city. If you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.
Feel free to use this conversation for practice and adjust it as needed to fit your speaking style and preferences. Happy exploring.